Hafaday Guam, Sean Garcia here with Triple J Motors, and today I'll be giving you a quick tutorial on how to use our Level 2 EV charger powered by Blink. This is our Blink IQ200 EV charger, and depending on your type of EV can deliver up to 65 miles of range in 1 hour. There's two ways to use the Blink EV charger. The first way is to tap your credit or debit card on the NFC reader and follow the on-screen prompts, then plug in. And the second is to download the Blink app and become a member. It's absolutely free. Most importantly, Blink members get a special discounted rate. Why Blink? Because it's an all-in-one solution for EV charging that simplifies your on-the-go charging needs. And with the Blink app, you can locate all of the chargers on island, check their availability and charging speed, as well as fee information, and get charging notification updates to let you know when your car is ready. As the popularity for EVs continue to grow, the need for convenient, accessible, and efficient charging stations will be critical. As the Blink charging station network on Guam continues to grow, you'll have easy access to conveniently located chargers throughout the island. That means you can keep your battery topped up as you go through your week. If you'd like more information on how to use a Blink charging station or want to find out how to get a Blink charger installed at your commercial property, give me a call at 686-4585, or you can email me at sgarcia@triplejguam.com. I look forward to hearing from you.